Yes, you're right. This is a copper bowl, all right. But what do you think I'm going to use it for? I know it sounds crazy. I'm going to turn this thing into a sink bowl. But what's missing? There's no hole in the bottom of it. I'm going to show you right now how I'm going to cut that perfectly round hole in this piece of test metal. And I do it by using these two simple tools. They're called knockout punches. The first thing you have to do, though, is drill a pilot hole into the piece of metal. Now we've got the hole drilled, the pilot hole, and it is just slightly bigger than the diameter of the bolt on the first knockout punch. And all you have to do is just take it apart, and this part of the knockout punch has got very sharp cutting metal edges, and you can see how it's shaped to actually help cut. And what you do is put it through, put this thing through like this, and go ahead and screw it on. And then you use a wrench to tighten this bolt. And as I tighten the bolt, it draws this part in closer and makes the hole. Oh, there we go. That just made it through. Pull it through, and look at that hole. Now the problem is, it's not as big as the size hole I'm going to need for the drain outlet. This is what's actually going to go in the bottom of the sink where the water goes through. So how am I going to create that? It's simple. You use the next big knockout punch. Now, here's what's important. This hole in the piece of metal is slightly larger than the size of the bolt on this knockout punch, and the hole that it's going to create is slightly bigger than the diameter of the drain outlet. It's that simple. You need knockout punches to make perfect holes in metal. I'm Tim Carter, Ask the Builder. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.